Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl. I'm just trying to give myself some energy, y'all. I don't drink coffee or energy drinks. Let's get started. Soft glam is really popular. I decided why not do a quick tutorial. I think my look is pretty soft glam anyway. I never do the whole cut creases all the time. This will be pretty easy for me. I'm using one palette. It's my Ray Ray's BH Cosmetics palette, and she released this last year. Favorite color popped out and I am not really happy about that. I'm gonna be using Top Notch, Brick, and possibly Bark. Alright, so using my MAC 224. Don't know if they still have this, you guys. Ooh, how am I gonna start this without doing my eyeshadow prep, y'all? Let's get started. So I am using Brick, and I started in the crease of my eye, worked my way up, blend out, and then down. Shout out to It's My Ray, because she did a really good job. Okay, so I think I've pretty much blended. That's where I want it to be blended. I'm gonna go in with Bark. The Profusion, does it have a number? No, you guys, isn't that fantastic? That's great marketing there. So I don't remember where I bought this. I think probably Walmart. Don't know. They don't have it. I apologize. All right, so with Profusion, I'm just gonna go in with the creases of my eye to add definition. And when you go like this and just follow your eyeball, like the feel of your eyeball. Like the cut crease thing is cool and I like it, you know, it's fun, but do I do it often? No, you guys, it's not practical for me, and I just don't really like that dramatic look. Like, I'll do dramatic looks for fun or if I'm gonna do a photo shoot, but it's not something that is done on the regular. Gotcha. Oh my gosh, the Pussycat Dolls had a comeback, or are having a comeback. That was news. I got nauseous on that note. When I grow up, I wanna be famous, I wanna be a star, I wanna be a movist. That was my, no doubt. It was all Nicole. So that was my little rant on Pussycat Dolls. Anyway, so going in with Top Notch. I'm just gonna go in. Yeah. I love this color, you guys. It's just so cute. It does have some fallout, and the brush I'm using is not going to really help because it's not really the brush suited for this. So if you have a flat or a sponge brush, or if you even want to use your fingers, that would work perfectly here, you guys. Like, do whatever makes you comfortable. Like, don't change up your whole routine just because somebody told you to do it. If using a certain brush makes it work for you, then use a brush. Like, are we in a competition? Like, is somebody judging you on the brushes we use? No. This one definitely has more, so let's press in again. So I think I have enough because I don't want to make this too dramatic. I'm just gonna go in with my MAC again, and I'm just gonna blend it up. Blending that little glittery color up. I'm not doing the whole falsies look. Sorry, you guys. Not today. Why? Because on a regular day, if Rachel's doing soft glam, she is not wearing falsies. I know a lot of people can't. It does enhance the look. I will not lie. but I just don't need it. Here's why. I decided I'll be nice. How about I do a soft glam with falsies and a soft glam without? So I was watching this YouTuber and she gave this delivery guy a $2,020 tip because she saw it as some challenge.
Must be nice.
Like, I want to be able to get to levels like that. Now, I am applying with my Wet n Wild brown, and this is their Sigma brown. Applying this to my lower lashes before I apply. Ooh. I definitely meant mascara there. And then on the corners and the upper part of my eye, I'm just applying a gold shimmer. You can use any one that you want to use. And then I dived right into my foundation. I have a full foundation routine on my channel. Definitely check it out because this will not be in-depth and I am going to go as fast as I possibly can, but still give you guys a little idea as to the steps that I'm using for the soft glam. So I was wondering if you guys wanted me to do a video in patois. Yes, Jamaican patois. I don't know, that'd be weird. The brush over here. May I go apply it over here? Definitely let me know in the comments below, or just any random ideas that you guys want me to do. Like, do you want me to do getting ready at work, getting ready in my car? I don't know. Is that boring? I've seen people do that, but I find that would be boring. Just comment below, you guys. Talk to me. I won't bite. The longest part of this routine has got to be blending out of my concealer. Like, by this part of the video, I was absolutely done with life. Done. Yes, babe. Contour that nose. Blend it out. Work it. Getting my highlight on. Don't want no creases. Y'all, this Lancome pressed powder, it's just perfect. It ties everything together. It cost way too much damn money, but it was definitely worth it. It's me popping back in, reminding you to blend out your makeup at every step. I used a dark brown and a red Juvia's Place blush. I really like the brown actually, you guys. This is of course the Juvia's Place Saharan blush palette that I love, and then I am going to blend that out because no one wants to look like a clown. And then of course we're going to move on to highlight, which is my favorite thing to do, I swear you guys. After moisturizing my lips, I am going to go with my It's My Ray Ray lipstick, and this is one of her liquid lipsticks, and I'm also going to line my lips with my Wet n Wild liner. With my highlight, this is from the Saharan blush palette. I'm just going to go in and blend that all out. All right, and there you guys have it. my soft glam. No falsies left. I promise I will do one with falsies. So 2 videos coming this month. Yes! Round of applause. I'm making my booty clap, y'all, on the chair. Y'all can't see it. My dog doesn't approve of my booty claps. Anyway, I appreciate all love and support. I say this every video because I really do mean it, you guys. I am so surprised with the growth. I have gotten new subscribers, like over 20 last year, so I don't know. I'm just hoping I keep up with everything, and I am trying to not burn out but still give you guys content. So just send up a big prayer or positive vibes, whatever you do, as long as it's positive. No witchcraft. I'd pass on witchcraft if possible. Yeah, but thank you guys. Bye. You know, I said bye, but I was having a moment and forgot that I didn't have my wig on or anything like that. Trust me, I have walked out the door numerous times forgetting that I don't have my wig on, just my wig cap. Like, it's a real thing. So anyway, this is my soft glam, no lashes look. I don't want to hear anything about no lashes from anyone. I will do another tutorial that has lashes, but I wanted to do something simple that everyone could follow along and not be like, oh, I can't do that, because like not everyone wears lashes, y'all. Like if you go on Instagram and you look at videos, it's not everybody has it. It's not for everyone, and some people look like spiders when they have it because they have these huge fans and these thick lashes, and it just goes overboard. You can do it really cute, or you don't have to do it at all. It's all up to you. Go bold if you want to. I don't care. I won't do it, but whatever floats your boat. Anyway, you guys, I hope you've enjoyed my channel. Bye.